Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to talk about Section 8 of Arbitration and Conciliation Act. First statement on the substance of dispute and the limitation with respect to it. Section 8 provides that the party to arbitration merely needs to insinuate the judicial authority about the arbitration clause before filing of the first statement. Thereafter, the judicial authority has to compulsorily refer the parties to the arbitration. For invoking the arbitration clause, Section 8 provides a time limit, and within that limit, the parties need to intimate the judicial authority about the arbitration clause. The said limitation is described in the provision as not later than the date of submitting his first statement on the substance of the dispute. For analyzing the aforementioned expression, let's break it into two parts. Number one, the first statement on the substance of dispute, that is the first part, and next one is not later than the date of submitting, that is the second part. First statement on the substance of dispute, the Honorable Supreme Court of India and Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited versus Verma Transport Company in the year 2006 deduced that the first statement with the respect of Section 8 should be different from the expression written statement. Further, the court goes on to say that it is the duty of the judicial authority to find whether the party has waived its right to invoke arbitration by filing the first statement, whereas the High Court of Delhi in the case of Sharad P. Jagitani versus Edelweiss Securities Limited in the year 2014 held that in a suit generally the first statement on the substance of the dispute is the written statement filed by the defendant in reply to the plaint, and therefore the written statement could be regarded as the first statement on the substance of the dispute. So this is the discussion which was made by in two of the above mentioned judgments. Now coming back to the second part, that is not later than the date of submitting. The above expression sets a limit on the period within which the parties must invoke the arbitration clause agreement before the judicial authority, which should be prior to the date of submitting the first statement. The nitty-gritty of the expression can be understood clearly with the help of some case laws. Number one, in a matter of SSIPL Lifestyle Private Limited versus Verma Apparels India Private Limited in the year 2020, the Delhi High Court decided on the issue related to the limit for filing an application under Section 8. The court clarified that the written statement required to be filed by the defendant party according to Order 8 Rule 1 of the CPC would be the first statement on the substance of the dispute, and the court further proceeded to state that the limitation for filing the written statement under CPC for non-commercial suits and for commercial suits under the Commercial Codes Act 2015 would be 90 days and 120 days respectively from the date of summons. In that matter, the party intimated the court about the arbitration clause after the expiry of 120 days. Hence, the court rejected the reference to arbitration. I hope you are pretty much clear with this much of a concept regarding the arbitration Section 8 clause. If not so, then do let me know about all your queries and doubt in the comment section given below. I'll clear up all your doubt regarding this particular section in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic.